Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use conditional formatting in Smartsheet to visually track your project's progress, instantly coloring your tasks based on how far along they are. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to make your % complete column eye-catching and informative at a glance, so you can easily spot which tasks are finished, which ones are in progress, and which need your immediate attention. If you're managing any project in Smartsheet, this is a skill you'll want to have in your toolkit. Let's dive right in. The first thing we want is a clear, visual way to see the progress of each task. Specifically, we're going to set up a rule to color any row blue if the % complete is 100%, making it easy to see what's done. Then, we'll highlight any incomplete tasks with yellow if they're in progress, and we'll use red to flag anything that hasn't started at all. This kind of color coding is super helpful, especially if you're scanning a long list and want to immediately identify the state of your project. So to get started, we need to set up conditional formatting. Conditional formatting in Smartsheet is a powerful tool that lets you automatically change the color of rows or cells based on certain rules. It's a bit like telling Smartsheet, hey, if this happens, I want you to highlight it for me. You'll find this feature in the toolbar, usually in the right-hand menu under Conditional Formatting. Go ahead and click on that, and you'll have the option to add a new rule. For our first rule, we want to show which tasks are fully complete. Click Add New Rule. Now you'll specify where the rule should apply, so select the column where your percentages live, usually named %complete or something similar. This is important because we only want these colors to show up based on that specific value. Next, let's define the condition. We want to catch any task that's exactly 100% complete. That means done, dusted. You can pop the confetti if you want. So set your condition to is equal to and enter 100%. This way, every time a task reaches 100%, Smartsheet will know to apply this rule. Click OK to confirm. Now the fun part, pick a color. Click Apply and choose a bright blue color from the palette. This will give you that crisp, mission accomplished look across any row that's finished. It's a little bit of positive reinforcement every time you scroll through your sheet. Once you've selected blue, hit OK to save this rule. Let's set up our second rule for tasks that are making progress but aren't quite finished. Add another new rule, once again selecting the %complete column. This time, set the condition to is less than 100%, but make sure it's not 0%. Don't worry, we'll handle 0% specifically in a moment. For this rule, we want yellow, a color that stands out and signals that something is happening, but there's still work to do. Pick yellow from the colors, apply it, and save this rule. Remember, this will help you and your team instantly see what's in progress and where focus might be needed. And last, but definitely not least, we need one more rule for tasks that haven't been touched. Once again, add a new rule, select %complete, and set the condition to is equal to 0%. This 0 value means the starting line, nobody's gotten to these tasks yet. For these, let's use a bold red. Apply the color and save. Red is a classic sign for attention needed, so it's a perfect choice here. Now when you look at your sheet, those blue, yellow, and red rows will stand out, giving you a powerful, immediate overview. Don't worry if it takes a minute to set up all the rules, the payoff is worth it, and the color coding helps you catch things at a glance, just like traffic lights. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to drop a like below, leave a comment if you have any questions about Smartsheet or conditional formatting, and of course, subscribe for more clear step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.